Are you someone who loves typing? Do you have the skills to type fast? What if I told you that there is a method that you can definitely use that skill of yours to potentially earn money online? In this video, we will teach you how to earn by just typing. Yes, you've heard it right. By just simply typing a few words for 1 minute, you can possibly earn approximately $30. If you have a phone, laptop, computer, and internet connection, you can do this no matter where you are in the world. Consider this as your lucky day that you've stumbled upon this video, as it is one of the quickest ways to earn money online. So make sure to follow all the steps for you to be successful. We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills, and we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits. The first thing that you need to do is open up your default browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you prefer. Now in the address bar, type in typingtest.com. On this website, we want you to complete a 60-second typing test. In order to do this correctly, we want you to follow every step we give you, as it is very important. Now click on Typing Tests, and you should see the section right here. If you click this drop-down box, you can choose the duration of the typing tests that you can take. Feel free to choose anything you want with the options provided. There is a 1-minute test, 2-minute test, 3-minute, 5-minute, and a 10-minute test. Aside from that, you can also select different kinds of typing tests. Here are your choices: easy, medium, hard, benchmark, tricky spelling, blind typing, story typing, themed, and professional. Now try to choose 1-minute test and then easy text. After configuring that type of test to take, click on Start Test. After that, you will now see this page that is filled with words. All you have to do is type the words you see on the screen. Here, you will see the timer, and you will be timed while taking this test. There are also 2 modes in this typing test: the normal mode and pro mode. For this video, we will be using the normal mode. The moment you start pressing your keyboard, the timer will begin automatically, and you must type as many words as you can accurately until the timer stops. Now, we will demonstrate to you how this thing works to give you an idea of what to expect. As your time runs out, it will immediately start analyzing your typing test results. After a few seconds, the system will reveal your result, and that includes your typing speed, accuracy, and your net speed. You will also see here the level of your typing skills, which also vary. Above 85 words per minute is pro, 65 to 85 is fast, 45 to 65 is fluent, 25 to 45 is average, and below 25 words is slow. After getting your test results, we want you to explore typing courses. This section offers free training lessons to better enhance your typing skills. You might be wondering why you have to undergo all of these. Please take note that you will be needing this as you continue to do the other methods on the website. But don't worry, because this will also serve as your training that will definitely improve your skills and will make you an expert in typing. That means the faster and more accurate you are in typing, the more money you can make. If you want a better score, you can check all of these lessons and learn them for free. Before we continue, please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Since you already have your test results and the typing skills, let us now check out the money-making websites that you will be using. These websites are available worldwide and anyone can use them. The first website is called rev.com. Go ahead and type that in the address bar of your browser, and you should see this page right here. This website provides you several options to choose from, which can earn you money. You can choose to do transcriptions, paying $1.25 per minute. It only requires you to convert audio or video to text. Next, you can also choose to do captions, which pays you $1.25 per minute. With this method, you just have to type in whatever the speaker says. And lastly, you can choose to do foreign subtitles, which pays $3 to $7 every minute, and this requires you to translate videos with foreign subtitles. If you chose the last method, it obviously pays more, but you need to be knowledgeable of 2 or more languages. Scrolling down, you can see a list of companies and institutions using this website. It is being used in different industries such as media, education, legal, marketing, and etc. Here, you will see some important information about this website. We highly encourage you to spare a few minutes to read them as it is educational. After all the reading, go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom of the website and click this button right here that says Become a Freelancer. You will see more information, such as how you can earn money with this website. As we've said before, you can use this website anywhere. As your caption says, Rev Freelance Jobs lets you work from anywhere. Earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. You can create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, and get paid weekly. So, let's start. Fill up this form by typing in your first name, last name, email, desired position, and country. Then click Next. Now let's try to calculate your possible potential earnings. This website pays you $1.25 per video. If you transcribe a 4-minute video, you'll get $5. Now imagine transcribing 6 4-minute videos. That'll earn you $30 online. Doing more videos will definitely earn you more money than what we've calculated. So try to do some hard work if you want to maximize your earnings. These are the steps that you need to do. First, take a quick quiz to assess your English language and grammar skills. Second, submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. And lastly, if you will be approved, you will now be able to register and start earning right away. Isn't that so easy? Make sure to try out that website. You'll never know, it may work for you. For those of you watching right now, if you have tried that method already, let us know how much you've earned and type it in the comment section below. Now let's move on to the next website, which is called transcribeme.com. Type that website into the address bar and you should see this on your screen. Here, you'll see that they do data annotation, transcription, translation, and AI datasets. If you scroll down to the lower part, you can read more about the website and how it works. In order to get started, just scroll back up and click on Jobs. Your screen should look like this. Click on Get Started. Here, you just have to enter your first and last name, email address, password, payment account, country, region, time zone, gender, employment, and transcription experience. In this section, you must choose what language you want to transcribe. If you're speaking English, then check English. If you confidently know other languages, feel free to check them also. Knowing more than one language will earn you more money as you will have more transcription opportunities. Now, just tick this checkbox right here and click on Create Profile. After that, you can now start earning money by just simply doing the method of typing. Remember the typing test that we took earlier? That test is crucial as you will be using the results to assess your typing skills, as both of those websites have a standard that you need to pass in order for you to be accepted. With that said, we highly encourage you to take those free typing test lessons to improve your typing skills and guarantee that they will consider you in and start earning tons of money online. And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs